Okay, so we're going to do some handwriting. Miss Christie, I've got 2 houses written up here, okay? But on your worksheet, you're going to have 3, okay? You're going to have 3 worksheets. Everybody should have their pencil on their resting spot or either on top of your crayon box. We should not be holding it, okay? All right, so if you were at home, okay, we did the front side on Monday. Okay, this is what it looks like. We're going to do the back side today. So it's page 22 right here. Okay, so what do we need to write our name on these? No, because our names are already on the front, right? So when you get yours, all right, what we're going to do is we're going to match. So we're going to match the letters. You're going to look at the top row, and then you're going to match the bottom row, okay? And then we're going to do, number 2, it says trace and write. We're going to practice letter B, uppercase and lowercase. House number 2, we're going to practice the letter N, which is also uppercase and lowercase. And then in house 3, we're going to write some blends. In house 3, you're going to do that independently. Kenna, do you remember what that means? What does that mean?
Whenever you put a consonant and a vowel together.
Well, that's a blend, but what does independent mean? Killian, what does independent mean?
It means you do something all by yourself.
All by yourself, that's right. That means you're going to do house number 3 all by yourself without Miss Christie's help. Okay? All right, so I'm going to give you your paper, and we're going to go ahead, as soon as you get your paper, go ahead and match. All right, then we're going to work on house 1 and house 2 together, okay? And then after that, we're going to do some social studies, okay? Go ahead and match. If you have your paper, you need to be matching. Oh, Cole's already finished. Look at there. All right, let's go ahead and look at house 1. Everybody point to house 1 for me. And what letter are we going to do, Sutton?
B.
We're going to be doing the letter B. All right, so remember our capital B has a body, straight line, right? And he's got a belly and a belly. Remember?
You said a big belly and a big belly.
Yep, big belly and a big belly. Very good. All right, then the lowercase b, okay? Remember how we did the lowercase b, Killian?
Yeah, the bat and the ball.
A bat and a ball. Very good. So, all right, what I want you to do is watch Miss Christie, and then you're going to trace your first one, okay? So watch Miss Christie. Ready? So the capital B, you start where, Grant?
Red dot.
Red dot. And we're going to do our body. And I'm stopping where, Kenna?
At the carpet.
At the red carpet. Very good. And then I do a big belly. And it stops at the dotted line. And then I do his other big belly downstairs. Okay? Now, the lowercase b has his bat and his ball. His bat lives where, Cole? Where does the bat live?
It lives upstairs and downstairs.
Very good. Lives upstairs and downstairs. Daxton, where does the ball live?
Downstairs.
Downstairs. Very good. Okay, so let's go ahead and trace that first one, and then we're going to do the second one together, okay? All right, so the second one, you're going to do his body, big belly, big belly. And then the lowercase is a bat and a ball. All right, you're going to do the next one all by yourself. Ready? Body, belly. The first belly only lives upstairs, and the other belly lives downstairs. Does it live in the basement? No, it doesn't live in the basement. All right, and then your lowercase is your bat and your ball. Good job, guys. All right, so you've got some space at the end of your paper. Okay, I want you to do 2 more. Okay, do 2 uppercase and 2 lowercase. Okay, 2 uppercase, 2 lowercase. I've got the video going. No, you're fine. All right, let's look at house number 3. What letter are we doing, Dax? N, okay? So who remembers how we do the N? Killian, do you remember? How is it?
A pole and a pole and a slide.
That's right. We got the pole and the pole and the slide. So let's go ahead and y'all watch Miss Christie. Ready? Pole, pole, and slide. All right, do you remember the lowercase n? Grant, do you remember?
Down and a hump.
Okay, it's just a little line and a hump, right? All right, so you start at the red dot and it's a line and a hump. Good job. All right, let's do the next one. So we have a pole, pole, and a slide. Pole, pole, and slide. Miss Minnie, this one needs some help right here. All right, lowercase. Remember, it's got a little line and a hump. Little line and a hump. Oh, I see some great handwriting, guys. Good job. All right, next one. Pole, pole, and a slide. All right, and then the lowercase is a little line and a hump. All right, do that last one. You're going to trace it, and then you've got some space at the end of your paper. I want you to write 2 more. 2 more of each, okay? All right, house number 3, y'all are going to do on your own. So if you're at home, we're not going to practice it on the board. I want you to do it on your own, okay?